of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly.
Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's wow our family with this special, delicious, moist, soft banana bread recipe I'm going to show you now. Yeah, and here are all the ingredients we'll be using for this. I have my overripe bananas. I have flour here. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll leave the measurements in my description box below. We are using 4 eggs. I'm using date paste. Use sugar in place of this if you don't have date paste or if you don't want to use date paste. We're using that as our sugar. You can use white or brown sugar or a mixture of white and brown sugar for yours. I'll be adding cinnamon powder. I have vanilla. I have my baking soda and the baking powder. Half a tablespoon of this and 1 teaspoon of the other. I'll leave the description, the measurements and all the ingredients I'm using in the description box below. So let's get started. We'll start by mashing our bananas. So move this one. Then peel the bananas.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams.
I'll go ahead and mash the bananas.
Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound.
You can use fork to mash this if you don't have potato masher. We can call this banana masher. It must not be potato. Next, I'll add the vanilla essence, the eggs,
Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crown.
oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice or use butter. Then the date paste. Like I said, you can add sugar. You can use sugar for your own. If you're using sugar, mash it together with the bananas.
Soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice.
Then I will mix this together for about 3 to 4 to 5 minutes. Just mix it very well until you mix it very well.
Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune.
And set this aside. Mix our dry ingredients. The dry ingredients is not much. I just have my baking soda, 1 teaspoon of that, and then half a tablespoon of baking powder, and also 1 teaspoon, or no, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then mix this together.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare.
Then gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Let them marry each other very well.
A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen.
And I'll be baking our banana bread in this silicone mini loaf pan that I got from Temu. Yep. Yay. I will grease it with little oil before adding the batter into it.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze.
Okay. So after greasing the pan, the next thing I'll be scooping this into the cups.
Chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
So I'm done filling this. I just have this. If you have chocolate chip, put your own. I don't have chocolate chip. I'm using this resins or dry fruits. I have chocolate chips, so if you get treasure kitchen, don't get. It's time to bake. And here we have our banana cake bread. It's still hot. When it cools down, we'll bring it out. Always allow it to cool down before you take it out from the pan. If not, it will just break or scatter. So we'll leave it here to cool down for about 10 to 20 minutes. We'll now test it and see how moist and delicious it tastes. Yeah, it's the moment of truth. And here we have our mini banana bread, or we can call it banana cake bread. Our mini banana cake bread. Look at the texture. The texture and the taste is amazing. It is soft and delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try. Yeah, if you have some bananas in your house and you have flour, this is the time to make some banana bread for yourself and your family. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
A recipe for peace in every sound.